In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort Gmail by sender. We all know that trying to find specific emails among hundreds or even thousands in our inbox can be quite the challenge. However, with a few simple steps, we can organize our inbox so that emails from the same sender are grouped together, making it much easier to locate that crucial message when you need it. To begin, let's open Gmail on your preferred web browser. If you haven't signed in yet, you'll need to do so using your Google account credentials. Once you're in, you'll see your usual inbox view with all the emails listed chronologically. Now, to start sorting by sender, we need to open the search bar at the top of the page. In the search bar, we're going to construct a specific query that filters emails by sender. Click on the search bar and then type from. Directly after the colon, enter the email address of the sender you wish to sort your emails by. If you don't have an exact email address in mind, you can also enter just part of the address or the name of the sender to generally search for similar addresses. For example, typing from johndoe at will show you emails from any address beginning with johndoe at. Once you've entered your query into the search bar, press the Enter key on your keyboard, and Gmail will instantly sort your emails, displaying only those from the sender that you specified. This is a fantastic way to quickly gather all communications from one individual or company into a single view, making your inbox much more navigable. Now, if you frequently need to search for emails from this sender, there's a way to save this search for future use. Simply click the small downward-facing arrow on the right side of the search box to open Advanced Search Options. Here, you can further refine your search criteria, and when you're happy with it, click on Create Filter. In the pop-up window that appears, you can choose what actions to apply to these emails, such as marking them as important or applying a specific label. Once you're done, hit Create Filter, and the filter will automatically apply to future incoming emails from the sender as well. Remember, having a tidy inbox doesn't just save you time, it also reduces stress and makes it much easier to manage your communications efficiently. These steps create a streamlined way to handle incoming mail and keep everything more organized. So, give it a try and enjoy the benefits of a sorted inbox. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made your email experience a little bit smoother.